Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a YouTube channel. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the YouTube and we have to open it. And after that, as you can see, it will be better for you if you are creating a YouTube channel on the desktop version. It will be easier and the better as well. So now simply we have to click on this profile icon, and after clicking on the profile icon, I'm going to switch my account, and we have to choose the email address that on which email address you want to create a new channel. For example, I want on this one, so I'm going to clicking on this one. So we have to click on this email, and after clicking on this, as you can see, you will get the directly option for the creating your channel. As you can see, I'm getting this. Now you have to choose the name. For example, as you can see, this is the name, and you will get the handler here. If you want to make a change, you can also do that. For example, I'm gonna make a change here. Let's write the name. As you can see, I'm going to write this name here, and let's see. Yeah, this is available. You can also change the name. If you want to select a picture, you can also do that. We have to click on the select picture option, and after clicking on the select picture option, we have to choose the image, that which image we want to use. So as you can see, now we have to choose the image. I'm going to the from computer section. We have to click on the upload from computer, and now we have to choose the image, that which image you want to upload from here. For example, I'm going to choose the random one. Let's choose this one or this one, and now we have to click on the open. And after clicking on open, as you can see on the picture will be here, and we have to choose that, and that will be added into our channel. So in this way you can choose an image. So as you can see, now we are done here. Now simply we will click on the get started. Let's click on this. And after clicking on the get started, our channel will be created, and you just have to make it, customize it. You have to customize it, and after customization, you have to start uploading your content, and you have to monetize your channel, and then you will be able to earn from YouTube.